Woody Woodpecker.
You still got popcorn?
Yeah, we got popcorn, man. You can't wait to hear the Woody Woodpecker.
We'll do it.
We can pause it, man.
Yeah, man, we're cool. That place is colorful.
Yeah, it is.
And it's extraordinary.
What?
Yep.
What the fuck is going on? He's jumping out of his pants, man.
That was the first desensitizing of the society. I have no idea why I said that already.
What's that dude got a top hat on, man?
That's a classy bird. Classy bird.
Gone for the winter. He's like, fuck this shit. Going to Florida.
Damn, he just zipped up the wood.
The fucking eggs rolling. The eggs like,
hey, that's off the Garfield farm or Heathcliff farm.
What?
Hey, there's Woody Woodpecker.
Woody Woodpecker. Man, check out that bathing
Woodpecker
suit.
looks like a softball player.
It's like his underhand, but it still comes so fast. What the fuck?
Man, look at the size. Look at the size of Woody Woodpecker's ankles. I think he's got diabetes.
God damn, Woody Woodpecker getting on that shit, man. Holy, is that him sucking in? Is that what's happening? No.
Man, he just changed the season, man.
Holy shit. You're gonna fall into... Oh, he's not gonna fall into ice. He's becoming ice.
Uh-oh.
You should be water, my friend.
Uh-oh. No, don't do that.
Mama!
Snowman
Playing
smacked his wood.
Oh, I was about to say playing badminton with his ass.
Oh, man.
What? He got it thrown into his own mailbox. Hopefully somebody checked the mail. Yeah, they checked the mail. They checked the mail. He lucked out.
Yeah, man. Golly.
Wow. Remember?
That water, look at, ooh, that food looks so good. It's only watercolor and it looks good. Oh, it's a snow NATO.
Come back, Snow NATO. That was so cold. Bitch, I throw you round, Snow NATO. I throw you round. Well, why was he eating everything in one night anyways? He had it all set out for that one fucking night.
Man.
Woody Woodpecker needs to learn how to plan ahead. What the fuck?
That's an ugly cat. That looks like a space cat.
That cat's had a hard life. You can look at him and tell it.
Ooh.
What the fuck? He was gonna have like cat.
One's thinking about eating cock, and the other was thinking about eating.
I didn't even see it, man. Holy shit, she just choked the pussy.
I think that Betty tried to choke me.
You just said that Pecker tried to choke me. Wow.
You can't go having a whore. Wait, that motherfucker was hiding in the stove? That ain't... Oh, he wasn't hiding. He was just Maybe caught.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you been caught. Dude, he's gonna get out of the same hole you got out of.
Ooh.
Oh, he was ready for that shit. Why does he keep sticking his head up?
Uh-oh.
You starting off at the tail? I done went with some thigh. What the hell?
Whoa, so fast.
Ugh.
Oh.
My fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry.
Holy shit.
Wow.
He just, I don't know what happened, but he got soup on into the fucking pot. Oh, they're fighting in the hot fire. Who the hell had a axe?
Hey, man, it looks like a football helmet.
Where the hell did this moose come from? With our forces combined.
Wow.
What?
Uh-oh. Oh, man, they killed the moose.
But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
What? The moose had a thing. He had like a memorial upside their head.
Yeah.
I mean,
It was a moose memorial.